Aside for a National Children's Dental Health Month. So we better do this story pretty quick before the end of the week. Anyway, the American Dental Association wants families to take time to teach, encourage, and promote good habits for our kids. 78% of Americans have had at least one cavity by the age of 17. Joining us right now to talk about it and how we can better teach good dental habits to our kids, we have a pediatric dentist, Dr. Lesley Rudolph. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in. We got a microphone changed out just in time. How do you start teaching kids early on about good dental health?
Well, the earlier the better, to be honest. Dental health starts even during pregnancy. So,
really?
Yes. So proper nutrition and good health during pregnancy is key.
Yeah.
And then starting great habits from the very beginning in terms of diet and oral hygiene and going to the dentist at a really young age.
I'm going to get to that with you in a second.
Sure.
But I mean, I'm sure that this changes in the age of the child, right? In terms of what kind of dental habits we're talking about, right?
Yes, well, especially in terms of your oral hygiene habits, it is going to transition from when they first, even before they get teeth in, the caregiver or parent taking care of the teeth primarily. And then as they get older, slowly transitioning into independently the child taking care of their own teeth.
It would surprise a lot of people what you were telling me before we started to know how early you recommend a child, a baby, see a dentist, right?
Yes, we do see babies. It is recommended as soon as the first tooth comes in to see the dentist, and no later than the age of 12 months.
Really?
Even if they don't have any teeth yet.
And what can you discover at that point in a baby's dental care?
So we can discover a lot of things about the habits at home that can help establish great dental health and oral health from the start, making sure the parent or caregiver understands how important it is to have a healthy diet, how important it is to transition from the bottle right at 12 months of age to going to a regular cup, and how important it is to start brushing the teeth and even using a toothpaste with fluoride in it from as soon as they get the teeth in and beyond.
You mentioned toothpaste, which
Yes.
leads us to this. There's been a lot of talk lately about the kind of toothpaste that kids are using and what kind they should be using. What do you recommend?
I recommend any toothpaste with fluoride that has the American Dental Association seal of acceptance on it. It is important that you use the proper amount for the child's age. So from birth to age 2, if they do have any teeth, you want to use just the size of 1 grain of rice on the
How
tooth.
much?
Just the size of 1 grain of rice, just a tiny bit.
Wow.
And then from age 3 and beyond, you can start using the size of a small pea.
And I didn't really, I don't have kids, so I didn't really realize this, but we've got some moms around here who were telling me their kids, I mean, just tons of toothpaste in there because it tastes good. You just need to be careful about that, right?
You need to be careful about that. Too much fluoride on your toothbrush is not necessarily a good thing for the health of your teeth, so you want to make sure you are using the proper amount.
Before we go, you're a pediatric dentist.
That's correct.
I mean, so baby all the way to what?
Typically until around age 18, sometimes a little beyond, but typically to age 18.
Wow. Well, it's so good to have you here.
It's so great
Thank
to be
you.
here. Thank you so much.
I mean, I'm sure you get it all the time. You're a pediatric dentist, and their basis will bless your heart. It's probably not always easy, but I guess the earlier you start, the better it's going to be for everybody involved.
The better it's going to be for everybody, and it's a lot of fun. I love what I do.
Well, good. I can tell. I can tell.
you.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
We put a lot more information on our website, fox13news.com, if you want to find out more.